Service agreements are an important part of an inspection service, and they outline the amount of money you're being paid to do the service, as well as what you will do and won't do, and so on and so forth. And so it's important that the service agreement be filled out correctly each time before it's signed by either your client or both your client and yourself. And so in this video, I will demonstrate how to configure the service agreement so it's always attached in NRS and automatically fills in details such as the client's name, the address that's being inspected, the cost of the service, and so on and so forth. So right now I'm in Settings. I'm going to click on Agreements and Disclaimers, and I'm going to open up Service Agreement Template. Over here you have a box where you can paste in your pre-existing service agreement. Maybe you had one drafted by an attorney, or maybe you're a part of ASHI or InterNACHI and you're able to use their templates. Whatever it is, you're able to paste it in here. So once you paste it in, you can adjust it so NRS will automatically fill in certain fields. And so let's just say, for an example, you can see the example text in gray on the screen. I'll just say this is an agreement between client and inspector at address for money. And so if I saved this example, it would always be shown, the same sentence would always be shown. But what if for every inspection I do, I want the system to automatically fill in the client's name, my name, the address at which I'm doing the inspection, and the cost that was involved. So if we click See Available Autofill Tags, we have an idea of how we might go about doing that. So here we can see that the tags will automatically make it so the system populates that information. And so in my example, I will want to make this # or hashtag client, hashtag inspector. Let me just look. So address and subtotal. Address, and instead of money, subtotal. Now I'm just going to click Save. Of course, this is an example. This is not going to hold up in court at all. It's just a quick example. So I'll save my service agreement. I'm going to create a new inspection. And so we'll note the address. So let's pick this random address, 2718 Sherman Street, Grand Prairie, Texas. And the client, let's call the client Clyde, Clyde and Sally client, on date and time. And I will hit Create Inspection. And so now if I were to email the agreement to the client, it would automatically include the text if they wanted to sign it. See, the text that we customized is in there. So you'll notice that this is blank because I haven't yet created an invoice. So actually I should do that. Say $500. Now I have an invoice. And so if I generate a PDF, and let's look at the report. So it's very empty because it's brand new. We haven't done the inspection at all. But if we look at the service agreement on page 5. You'll notice that, so this is an agreement between Clyde and Sally client, and my name, the name for my inspector account right now, at the address for the amount of money. So going back to settings, you can see that filling it in with the hashtags, or what we call autofill tags, makes it so for every report that I do, the name and the details are automatically put in, and basically NRS fills in the blanks. And that's how to use the service agreement template area.